Hi, TrialByTrust from the MLP Arena wanted to know what Singing Minty sounded like, so I've taken the hat off mine, but I'll give her a squeeze.
Rainbow-colored lights glowing bright on Minty night, and a bow on every sword. That's what I love about Christmas. Have a very minty Christmas this year.
So that's basically what she sounds like.
Rainbow-colored lights glowing bright on Minty night, and a bow on every sword. That's what I love about Christmas. Have a very minty Christmas this year.
Yep, so she doesn't actually go off on her own, you just have to squeeze her, but she's very cute. There we go.